Guys, I'm sorry for the horrible graphics. This looks like some Pokemon stuff right here. It honestly does. We have those Pokemon graphics, and my TV's making sounds again. Oh. I'm gonna try to fix it. Oh god, that made it worse. There we go. It's better. And I can still hear it. You can probably still hear it. Yes. I fix it. Because I'm a genius. Okay. Anyways, we're going to play some business. That's what I named the world. I'm just going to start saying that. I'm just going to say, we're going to play some business. Oh, by the way, this is part 3 of Adventures. The reason why I started out in the menu is because I had to leave, because I had to eat and do some laundry and crap like that. Hey, doggy. Gotta eat. No, I had to eat in real life, but this is eating in Minecraft. So where are we at? Oh yeah, snow biome. Alright, so just gonna walk down here. It's not much of a snow biome, actually. Kind of is. Look at this. No snow. Oh, that's... okay. Okay, never mind. Snow figures. Trees. Come on, doggy. Where you at? Oh god, ooh. Cave. First cave or just dead end? Okay. That's boring. Come on, dog. Wrong way. Cave sucked. Whew. Rough. That's all you can ever say, can you? Yeah. Ooh, jungle? No. This biome is looking nice. What is this? Oak trees, birch. Hey, this is a forest that we were in. Hey, I remember that tree. That huge tree that we were looking into earlier in part 2. Yeah. Let's head this way. Since we're going past the snow biome and the tree. This is looking kind of boring. This is another temple. I bet we've already seen it before, or we've gotten stuff in it before. No, this is looking new. I haven't broke any of the stuff. About to lose all my food bars, but whatever. Got my dog with me. There we go. Ooh, yeah, I definitely haven't taken this one yet. I would mind it down. Okay, I have taken this before. Wow. This is one Eric took. So we've basically gone in a circle. Enderman. Oh, yeah, I got him angry. Just gonna look at you. Wait. What you gonna do, bruh? What you gonna do? Bet you won't come over here and fight about it. Yeah, I'm looking at you with the sword in my hand. Bet you won't get closer. Look at you being all creepy and whatnot. You come over there and kick your butt, son. Boom. What? Spawn closer, I bet you. Dare you, son. No, dog. Just sit down for this one. Ah, look at you. He spawned all the way across the world, didn't he? Hate it when that crap happens. I'll just sit there, you'll be in a battle with them. That's why I always make a tomb or whatever. Make it like this. I don't know what I'm doing actually. There you go. What? know how to make it. Okay. Look at him messing around. There we go. I'll make it like this. Because he can't fit through this. So I just make it like this. And he can't fit through it. And I can just sit here and just hit him all day. Give me an opening right there. So I can leave. Where is he? I'm gonna look at you. Ow. See? That's how it's done. I hate noises like that. Okay, let's try to go home. Where's the house? Where's my map? Okay, okay. I was just gonna say, no, my map is gone, but this way. All the way back home. All the way down there to the bottom left. Where you see all that sand. Yep, that's the house. And you see that gray stuff right there at the bottom? It's very small, you can hardly see it. Bottom left, you know, it's a little bit gray. That's my cobblestone house. Okay, guess I was a sheep eating grass. Where's my dog? Dog, you there? Where'd you? Oh yeah, I sat him down. I forgot about that. I have to go all the way back. That was a waste of time. Just scratch my back. Okay. Wait, I have an ender pearl now. Hey. I'm gonna replace that with my water bucket. In case I need it. I'm just gonna collect ender pearls now, I guess. Oh my gosh, I set them down way over here, didn't I? Somewhere over here. Just look around. Is that him? No, that's not him. Doggy, bark for me. Now is the time you can bark, dog. Now is the time. So let me know you're here. Doggy, don't leave me. Doggy, no. Oh well. Wait, oh, there's my food. Do I have carrots? Yes. Well, it's kind of useless now. Dude, where's my dog? Found him. You have caused me much pain. 8 minutes in? That's not fair. Spent 8 minutes looking for a dog. Jesus. This is a boring part 3. I guess we'll make a part 4. And in part 4 we'll be probably duplicating and trying to collect ender pearls, maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully Eric will sign in at some point. When he signs in, that'd be a perfect way to end it. Yeah, okay. Anticipation. Yeah. Jesus, I should have brought a boat. I would parkour, but screw that. See my signature thing. Look at me. Swimming with the map. Back. Whoa. Dora, Dora the Explorer. We could actually use these, but, you know, Do we have any room? No. We don't need those cocoa beans. We don't need the sandstone. That's what we don't need. Oh god. That scared me, dog. Oh my god. Oh, that's scared. We're gonna need these for my house. Okay. Because I'm gonna make some soup. Getting pretty close, I guess. I see that tower is all I see. My dog's way back there. And there he is, right beside me. Okay. Home. My house is over there. It's not. It's around the thing. Because I have grown to memorize a lot of things in Minecraft. Like how to duplicate. Obviously, I know that. See? There's that gray hatch. I guess not. What is that gray hatch? That way. I'm pointing to it on the map. Is that gray tower? Where am I going? Is this the gray hatch? I know exactly what it is. It's a well. No? That's my Enderman fighting zone. Come on, dog. We're not wanted here. Ow. I'm not doing what Bone Crusher does. He puts these in item frames. That's boring. He's showcasing it. Ooh, I almost used it. That would have been close. Okay, well, we're home. Dog, you are inside of my chest. I don't like that. Well, let's check some down. No! You! Oh my god, why are you... That's because it was water. Look at you. Dry off, darn it. Stay. Jeez, we need to clean you up. It'd be awesome if I could just throw wool on him. He could dry up. Where did I put my stuff at? There's my food. Potatoes. Muchachos. Okay, here's my random crab chest. I'm gonna use that bone sometime. Got iron ore. Stream. I'm planning to fill up, hopefully, my entire roof, maybe. Why is it pink? Is that a girl? It's a girl. Guys, I have a girl dog. Pink. You can hardly see it on your screen. 13 minutes in. Very boring, but what can you say? I don't do much stuff in my world except boring things, really. Unless I'm playing Call of Duty. That's kind of somewhat entertaining. Let's get some sand out. Not sandstone. We don't want that. Sand. Over here. We'll just end it here, I guess. Bye. Part 4 coming up. Actually, no. Screw that. We're gonna enchant some stuff. No, we're not. Screw that. We're gonna duplicate. We are going to duplicate. Where's my oh. Good. That's kind of stupid of me. Put the map up. Get my diamonds out. Put that there, and there. Okay, let's go duplicate. I don't want my dog to come with me. He would just ruin it. Okay, yeah. Looks like we can't duplicate. We'll duplicate. Next episode, part 4 coming up.